This is my school project. It's about, or I'm working about the respiratory system. Here you can see, you need hair in the nose because otherwise, and the slime thingy and buggers. Otherwise the air is gonna get really dirty and your lungs are gonna get destroyed. And here's the tongue. You can see in there. Here's the. You need your tongue because that one makes the air more wet. And here's a pipe that goes. Here's a pipe.
Yeah, but you have to turn it out.
Pipe.
Can you turn the figure around so we can see the pipes on the other side?
And then here you can see there's two pipes. One pipe there and one pipe there. Going, and that one goes in the nose and that one goes in the mouth. And then here you can see the lungs. There's the diaphragm, and here you can move. And you can see that the balloon is going up. You can see that I'm taking in air. And here's the same thing.
Why is it different sizes?
One lung is smaller than the other because that one should carry smaller air. Then the big one should carry like all the air to give because that one gives all the power to the body. Otherwise, you have to stay in the stomach much longer.